Alright, I'm going to show you how to make a tall sculpture like this out of a thin piece of foam like this. In this case I'm making a mushroom cap, but this could be an igloo or a teepee or a mountain. So this one here is about 12 inches tall. The one that I'm working on is going to be about 14 inches tall. And the way to make a 14-inch tall dome is out of 2-inch foam. You're going to have 7 cut points. 7, and they don't have to be circular. You could make another shape, but they've got to be equidistant. So you've got these 7 cut points times 2 inches. It's going to magically turn into a 14-inch tall cone or dome. The next step is to set the angle of the knife on the sled guide, so when we stack all these different pieces that we cut out, we'll have as smooth a slant as we possibly can. And to do that, we have to have the cut from the top edge here to the bottom edge of this one be the same as the distance apart. So right now we're 1.5 inches apart on these green concentric lines here, and so we've got to set the knife so it's 1.5 inches from the top of the foam to the bottom of the foam. So I'm going to measure 1.5 inches to the edge of the table here, and then I'm going to set the knife on the sled to 1.5 inches. Pretty simple. There we go. Now the next challenge is to keep the sled from going back and forth like this. If you get the wrong angle, you can see the cut's going to be wavy. So the reason that I made these blue lines is so we can keep this aligned as we go to the blue lines. As long as we keep this at right angles to the blue lines, we're going to have pretty accurate cut there. So any of the inaccuracies that you see after I finish cutting is because I don't have a real steady hand. And let's see how we do. If you want to make a dome instead of a cone, widen the spaces between concentric lines as you near the center. Okay, let's see how this matches up now. They tightened up the angle a little bit. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Going to be hardly any sanding here. There's almost a perfect match there. I'll show you how this thing stacks up.